style rumba. So we go rock, step, and side, and we're going rock, step, and side. So you move away because we don't see our feet. We need to see our legs. Right, you just step, you see, like for you already, see for me, it's already yes. Right? So what we dance is different dances. How we dance is those little technique secrets. What is number one technique secret?
Turnout.
Yeah, natural turnout.
Natural.
And it's important to say natural because what it means natural. So this will be unnatural.
Right, okay.
Natural turnout, if like somebody walks and just like naturally like have feet slightly over, that's good. Not everybody have a natural turnout. So natural turnout is not that natural. Many people I see, you know, like they walk like this. So in dancing it's big no. And hopefully and this is very hard to change, that's why you have to do it in real life. Okay, let's say if we take another dance, let's say swing. We have a rock. Okay, let's go from this like, okay, sorry, yeah. So you have a rock, step, triple step, triple step. So how to make it pretty right away? Natural turnout. So I will make sure that the student goes through this neutral position and his natural turnout not here. Then the student steps back, rock step, you see? Natural, you see how pretty, you see this? This is like a picture, like a Picasso picture. Then as we're going to the side, we're not going, you know, this way, which is most of people do. You'll be surprised, like even you will catch yourself doing rock step. Now you do triple step. Doesn't matter how you do it, what technique like you swing it, doesn't matter hips, but your foot natural turnout, close natural, and you see here is a natural turnout. And then you always will look elegant. So go rock, step, triple step. And if you want to be a good dancer, you want to pay attention to those details, especially natural turnout. Because once your foot is here and you have the most beautiful hand, body, best dress, it just doesn't look beautiful. So it's very good to teach, and it could be kids, advanced level, medium level, it doesn't matter, seniors.
Oh, thank you.
You're right.
I don't think so. Okay.
Yeah. So now let's check, for example, we're doing cha-cha, lock step forward. So we have a rock step, we have lock step. Cha, 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 rock step, cha, cha, cha. So this is already pretty advanced to teach, because normally we teach run, 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 but how to make it look pretty right away. Same thing, natural turnout. So we're stepping back and we're checking. Most of people already foot will be here. Rock, and then you replace. Step, so it's a natural turnout. Now here will be even more difficult. You go cha, you make sure this foot is natural turnout. You see how you see how easy?
Yeah.
And I'll give you tricks how to keep it nice. Now when you do cha, you see it's natural turnout, so you don't want to have this situation. You see it's still natural turnout. Now you push from the back foot, cha. Now you go rock steps, or this is like a check, rock, step. Now we're going back. Make sure it's cha. You see it's naturally turned out, so it's not this way. And you can see it right away. Cha, cha, cha. Got it? So you go rock, step, cha, 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 rock, step, cha, cha, cha. And how, let's say, people go to competition, many judges I talk, they say, oh, I just look on the feet. I don't even remember faces. It's very easy to judge by the feet. If some, like, we have one student, she like George, she has pretty feet, she steps, she has always like,
Beautiful legs.
so beautiful. So it doesn't really matter what's happening here. And very easy to like always score very high in competitions. Surprising, but it's not. Because most of it is very easy to judge. The people like, you know, emotions, they like commit, but the feet not right. So it's like you appreciate dancing, but that's not will be, you know, the most beautiful dancing. Just because they didn't train this. And I'll give you tricks also how to train this. Okay, so now let's do another dance. Let's say we're doing, I don't know, samba. You go one, so you have, so what we do, whisk, side, back, cross, side, back, cross. So now, movement is pretty hard, there is a bounce, there is some actions, but what we can fix right away, side, This position, natural turn. You see how? You see how it's so easy to lose, and nobody, not too many people train this. Back across. So you see back, never here, back cross. So we're going side, and also specific for this dance that you land on the bend knee. One knee back, one knee. But let's say you land on the straight. You don't know technique. Doesn't matter. You already look good. Even dancing it on the straight legs, side, back, cross. But it already has certain look, just because of one principle, natural turnout. And I don't see too many people, training this. And students, they like when you correct each step. Smaller cheek, little by little, back cross. So let's do samba. Side, back, cross. Side, back, cross. Side, back, cross. Now give me another dance, Latin dance, what we can do.
Salsa.
Yeah, salsa. We're going to do salsa. Natural turnout. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. It just looks nicer for the feet. 5, because many girls, they're already 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes? Got it? So natural. Now, how to train it? So what is the principle number 1?
Natural turnout.
Natural turnout. Yeah? You agree with this or not? Natural turnout. So easy to train. Any step, any this. Now, number 2 principle comes from doing natural turnout. So in order to do natural turnout, watch. For example, what did you just do? And you lost. We did cha-cha and you lost a little bit natural turnout. I will explain you why. So you did this rock, step, then you lifted this leg, and then it landed this way. So because you lifted your leg, in the air, it's very hard to change it. Therefore, we come to the principle number 2.
Brushing.
No, it's brushing, but it's called feet should be always in contact with the floor. So it is brushing to the floor. But brushing is something else, it's number 3. Okay, so feet is always connected to the floor. So for example, we're dancing our, let's say, time step in rumba. If if I want here, like quick, if I want here to have always natural turnout, the key would be not to lift your legs and step over. Because the moment you lift your leg, it changes foot position. Now it lands as a lateral. Got it? So what will be like your goal to have natural turnout? Why you need to have natural turnout? Because it makes the whole dance, the whole body beautiful. Now how to have natural turnout? So this is the secret. If I gonna slide my foot, because I already have natural turnout before I dance, right? So I didn't dance. So now I wanna go from here to here. Now, if I will slide my foot with the pressure, if I slide my foot with the pressure on the floor, you see I have natural, now I slide my foot with that natural turnout. That's why inside edge of the toe is important. You see this? So the chances that it lands in a beautiful position much higher, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now from here, I want to bring my foot in. I can bring it through the air, and the big chance is going to end up like this, or I can drag it to the floor. You see this?
Yeah.
So it has natural. So natural turnout should not be only at the end of the step. It should be before step, during, and after. Got it? So I'm dragging my foot. Boom, I landed the natural turnout. Regardless, do I know my body actions or not? Now I need to bring my foot in, right? So I drag it in. Boom, now I will keep my feet on the floor with a little bit pressure. Now, the keyword pressure is important. If I don't have a pressure to the floor, you don't feel your foot. Like, you see, if something doesn't hurt in your body, you don't feel, like if my hand doesn't hurt, I don't feel my hand, right? But if I create like resistance to my hand, now I feel it. If I feel it, I can shape it, I can dance it, I can do something. So if you have a little bit, not too much, a little bit pressure to the floor without looking down, you can feel what's your feet like, right? So the pressure to the floor is essential. So you change weight. Quick, we go to the side, and slow. And quick, and slow. Why we have a pressure? Let's go here. Okay. Why to have a pressure? In order to feel our feet. Why we want to feel our feet? We want to have natural turnout. Yes?
Yes.
Got it? So let's do using like this. So now we have one step. Let's say we have a American style box, American Rumba box, but we're gonna have two principles. It's a natural turnout, and also another principle, how we create natural turnout by using a pressure to the floor. Slow, you see, if like from here, I'll do it again. If I have a little bit pressure to the floor, I can maintain my natural turnout. You see, there's more chance. Now I want to step there, so I have a little bit pressure on the behind, because if you don't have pressure, it will land like this 100%. So I have pressure when it comes in, I have pressure when it goes out. Boom, pressure to the floor, change. Now the same, pressure to the floor, slow, pressure to the floor. Quick, quick, and slow. And quick, quick. It's also important, you see, to have a dance shoes for the students. So, because if they don't have dance floor, how they can pressure and move? Yes? Got it? So show me like this, for example. And this is how you can self-correct yourself, like a box. And slow, quick, quick, and slow. Excellent. Quick. Do you see how your body changed already? Slow. It takes time to think, but later it becomes so automatic. Yeah, very good, very elegant. And especially pay attention to places where you don't have eyes. Like if I step back, I don't know what my foot looks like.
Right.
I feel the pressure. Oh, I have a pressure. I feel it. And then I step there, and then I step here, and then I step here, then I step there. Yes.
Yeah.
Now let's say using the same. Let's make cha-cha-cha better. We go rock, and now from here, see, I have a little bit pressure. Step. Now cha-cha-cha. My foot, very big chance is not gonna land good there. So I already have pressure. I have pressure. Cha. Now watch how I bring back foot. I'm not gonna lift it. I'm gonna drag it in. Cha. And now this foot. You see, it's already have natural turnout. Cha. So you have this nice footwork. And check. 2. Back. 3. Now here. And pressure. Because you want to have natural turnout here. You also want to have natural turnout as the foot moves. Cha. 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 And 2. And 3, and a cha, 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 and 2, and 3, and a cha, cha, cha. Yeah? Let's do, for example, I mean, I can give you more principles, but I think 2 principles is already too much. 1 is the best, which is like program yourself. But 2 will be good for today. So for example, if I do with you that that's our butterfly cha-cha. And we start just playing here with the hips. So what is most important? Get your natural turnout already. Very good. That's already looks good. Now we go for our crossover breaks. So you want to have pressure to the floor. So the first thing I would look in that foot. They will land there. How to land there? It's to have a pressure from over here to all the way. 2. So now you see you don't need even arms because it looks so pretty. I mean, arm is just nice. And 3. Now I want to have natural turnout as that coming here. Cha, cha, cha. You see already pretty. Now I collect and you see I have my foot here brushing. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. And I always imagine like I leave this draw lines on the floor with my feet. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Now spot turn, for example, we go and 2. You see, very good natural turnout. Keep it and natural turn. 3 and excellent. Cha, cha, cha. Now, for example, our stopping goes and 2 natural turnout. 3 cha, cha, cha. Go 2 and checking our feet here. Yeah, you can lift, make it. Yeah. 2, 2. 3, yeah. Once you go rock step, it's recommended to slide out from it. So a little bit slide, so it's easier to finish right from here. 3, go cha, 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 and go back. Rock, step side. Cha, 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 cross body. and we did pretty good. 2, 3, side chop, 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 and 2, 3, chop, 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 and 2. So what's most important for you on that 2, take a look, what's most important for you on that 2 and 2, you get into the natural turnout feet position. So it doesn't go this way. It doesn't go this way. 3. After each rock step, always slide out. That's the secret.
Okay.
So if I do rock on the step, you a little bit slide out. Now this spot turn is a part of the rock step. 2, now you have to slide it out. 3, side, chop, chop, chop. Let's say your next step. And 2, 3, now going forward. Chop, 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 forward 2, forward 3, pivot. Beautiful feet, and go back. Chop, chop, chop. Then you just go with the student or yourself. So just only having, let's say, 1 or 2 principles. And just drill it over and over. And then trying to do with me. Let's say we do that international style rumba, which I show you. You go back 2, you go for 3, you go 4, 1. Now make sure this next 2 step you have a natural turnout. 2, excellent. 3, pivot, and just back.
Is there still voice for
4,
like,
excellent. Continue. 2, beautiful.
the
3,
bottom of my foot?
and 4.
The crown?
And you go
The ball of
2,
my foot?
3, pivot. You're going backward. 4, 1, excellent. You go back 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. We're doing rumba, American stuff, rumba, international. And 2, 3, 4, 1. So see, you don't need really to know how to do those rumba walks. So you're already selling it, you're already making it better. And 2, the best techniques are simple techniques, yeah. So it doesn't matter how we do that figure 8, our feet looks good, we look good. I'll lag, and I'll switch way. And go 2, 3, excellent. So now you see, now you're ready to train like a top people, just only these 2 principles. Now I want maybe you and Bailey go on camera and you just explain this.